Hi, my name is Sebastian Ochoa, and I'm the team captain of 957 Rogue Resistance, and this is our robot for Meet 2 of AML. As you can see on our robot, we have 8 motors driving the robot, the 4 drive motors underneath the chassis, 1 motor driving the intake, a motor driving our transfer, a motor driving our arm, and a motor driving our single flywheel shooter. We have 2 hubs mounted on the side, and we have a couple of servos on our robot, specifically 3 servos. We have 1 underneath that flicks rings into the shooter where they come out, 1 that controls our claw mechanism, and 1 that controls our holder mechanism to let down our flip down intake after the autonomous period. This is here so we can fit within the 18 inches during the match. Our robot fits within the 18-inch size cube, being roughly 17 3/4 inches long, 16 inches tall, and about 17 inches wide. We have a number plates on both sides of the robot, 1 here, 1 here, and we also have our main robot power and our initialization sticker right next to our power switch, which is in an easily accessible location. Thank you.